and welcome back to Drive Cars. Today we're diving into one of the most anticipated electric vehicles of the decade, the 2026 Tesla Roadster. Buckle up because this is not just a car, it's a statement on wheels. The first thing you'll notice about the 2026 Roadster is its aggressive yet elegant exterior design. Tesla has truly outdone itself with a silhouette that screams speed even when it's standing still. The low-slung profile, wide stance, and sculpted body panels are a clear evolution from the first-generation Roadster. But this time it looks far more refined and futuristic. Up front, the sleek LED headlamps blend seamlessly into a sharply contoured hood, giving it a predatory edge. The absence of a traditional grille further enhances that clean, minimalist Tesla aesthetic. Along the sides, you'll see muscular lines that lead to massive aerodynamic wheels wrapped in ultra-low profile tires. And around back, a dynamic diffuser and subtle integrated spoiler tie everything together beautifully. But this car isn't just about looking good. It's about jaw-dropping performance. The 2026 Roadster features Tesla's tri-motor setup, delivering an absolutely insane 0 to 60 time of 1.9 seconds. Yes, under 2 seconds. That puts it in hypercar territory, rivaling or beating some of the most expensive cars in the world. With over 1,000 horsepower and torque that feels more like a launch pad than a drivetrain, the Roadster isn't just fast, it's violently quick. Top speed, over 250 miles an hour. And with Tesla's new battery tech, it's boasting a range of around 620 miles on a full charge, which is just unheard of in a performance EV. Handling is also next level. Thanks to adaptive suspension and an incredibly low center of gravity, it grips the road like it's on rails. Tesla has fine-tuned the Roadster to be as much a track weapon as it is a road cruiser. Whether you're cornering at high speed or accelerating on a straight, it stays composed, confident, and brutally fast. Inside, the cabin keeps things sleek and futuristic. A wraparound glass roof gives the interior an airy, open feel, while minimalist surfaces and a center-mounted display put everything at your fingertips. The seating is snug and sporty, built for performance driving but still comfortable enough for a long journey. That's all for today on Drive Cars. If you're excited about the Roadster or want to see it in action soon, hit that like button and subscribe for more automotive deep dives.